everyone, it's a known fact that nature's resources have been consumed by man from the beginning. Humans destroyed forests for their shelter by cutting down trees to obtain wood and timber. It's a great threat to mankind to destroy the world around them. In this modern world, a place to live is every man's dream. So how would you create a living place which is both eco-friendly and a solution to destruction of nature? So here's the answer. Welcome to the world of Lingle windows and doors technology. Lingle Felsterbau was established in 1959 in Ellwagen, a small town in Germany. Since then, Lingle has been the leading manufacturer of high-end doors and windows in Europe and now having its base here in India.
Warm greetings to all of you from company Lingle India. Our company had started in 1959 in Ellwagen. My father began with small setup to produce wooden windows and doors. Today we are one of the leading companies in South Germany and Switzerland. And we are producing all types of windows and curtain walls. At the year 2005, the company had the vision for a global expansion. And because of booming economy in India, it was decided to start a new company in this country. In the early 2006, the company started the operations in New Delhi. Since this time, we have produced and installed lakhs of square meters of windows and doors across the country. Our main business areas are New Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai and Chennai.
Lingle believes that its products have an important role to play in helping to improve people's lives and conserve energy in this world growing in population. Lingle is one of the leading manufacturers of high-end quality doors and windows made up of UPVC, which is unplasticized polyvinyl chloride. Having a sound background in building construction projects, Lingle also provides a cutting-edge technology in UPVC production. So what is UPVC and how is it used in the production of doors and windows in modern technology? Let's see.
PVC is a multi-purpose material and has found its application virtually everywhere, and hence it is ideal for production of doors and windows. UPVC or rigid PVC is specially formulated plastic which has been made resistant against the harmful UV rays of the sun. This keeps the product in new condition even after many years of usage. UPVC has excellent chemical resistance across all its operating temperature range, with a broad band of operating pressures. Due to its durability, strength and economic cost, UPVC systems account for a large proportion in production of doors and windows. Widely used materials for window frames are wood, steel, aluminium and PVC. Aluminium and steel are good conductors of heat and hence the energy conservation is poor. UPVC is a poor conductor of heat and hence effective in energy conservation. PVC has the lowest U value and hence popular in windows and doors manufacturing.
Lingle found this characteristics of UPVC and decided it is the best replacement for any other material which is eco-friendly. Hence, they started producing doors and windows using UPVC with their cutting-edge technology.
Electrochemical effects do not occur in UPVC. Lingle windows and doors are fitted with galvanized steel reinforcement. It makes the window very stable and prevents any bending of the UPVC. The tested construction of the seals keep the rainwater outside the glass panel against the UPVC profile. With its thermal transmittance and low energy, building standards can be achieved even with low-cost double glazing. The heavy-duty multi-chamber system offers everything for high-quality windows and doors.
We have seen the quality productions of Lingel's UPVC doors and windows. And now, it's time for us to see the variety of products that Lingel has to offer. Be it casement windows, tilt and turn or sliding windows, the choice is
opening to ventilate the building without any danger of a person being able to come through. Another option is the sliding windows and doors. All the functions are operated easily in a single hand in one move. The multi-purpose locking mechanism also keeps the frame from twisting or bending. Stainless steel roller tracks and low friction adjustable tandem rollers keep panel sliding easily for years. Casement window and doors are hinged at the sides and can be built for inside or outside opening.
So that's the wonder of Lingel's UPVC door.
Improve your environment and enhance the facade in one stroke. Lingel Windows and Doors Technologies. Secure home for better life.